and girls, Hair for All franchises. Yes, we are well up for that now. 5 years ago I did Hair for All affiliates. That worked out. I built some good friends, but to be fair, a lot of people took, and I'm going to say this, took advantage of my good nature, and I let it all go. Kept some friends though, kept the ones that listened and went ahead with all my advices. One in particular, Colin Geary. Now he's purchased the franchise for Hair for All Hertfordshire, which is based in Hemel Hempstead. So that's fantastic news. Go Colin, you can do it, mate. You're a top quality barber. Look at that, look. Yeah, so fantastic. Right, many areas are open. You know, we've got London, we've got Swindon, we've got Birmingham, Manchester, Newcastle. Pretty much they're all open. So we plan to go to hair shows and have a really big stand, make it really proactive, probably before and afters, cutting in skills and generate interest that way. The fees, depending on the areas, range from around 15,000 right up to 60, 70,000, depending on the area. But generically, we are generating so many leads that it is getting overwhelming for Bristol HQ to actually deal with them. So with more people on board, it will be to my experience, to my guidelines. There is a saying with one famous brand, there's 2 gherkins on a cheeseburger and 1 dollop of ketchup. So pretty much our guidelines are going to be the same, all working together, all off the same hymn sheet, and developing business and making this happening for males and females. Females, hair loss is a big thing. I was an expert, or I still am an expert at it, based in America. I studied this for 5 years. So I take all my history into the brand to bring Hair for All franchises to every city in the UK. So I'm excited. The beast is excited. So let's move forward. Come on then. Let's get to the hair shows and let's get Hair for All in each town and city all over the UK. Fantastic. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.